Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Trend Trove channel. Today, we're diving into the world of instant cameras and exploring the best ones you can buy right now. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking for a fun way to capture memories, we've got you covered. In a world dominated by smartphone photography, there's still something magical about the old-school instant camera. That feeling of capturing a moment and having a tangible photo in your hands is truly special. So, we've tested some of the most popular instant cameras on the market from brands like Fujifilm, Polaroid, and Kodak. Let's jump into the highlights from the article The Best Instant Cameras You Can Buy Right Now. First up, if you're looking for a camera that's simple, easy to use, and delivers great results, our top pick is the Fujifilm Instax Mini2. It's affordable, caters to all ages and experience levels, and provides that classic analog experience. The Instax Mini2 ticks all the boxes with its print quality, ease of use, and affordability. It may lack some advanced features, but if you want a reliable instant camera, this is it. Now, for those who want a more premium experience with added flexibility, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo takes the spotlight. With a full-color LCD screen and advanced features, it's worth the investment for creative enthusiasts. The Instax Mini Evo allows you to preview and select images before printing, giving you more control over your shots. Plus, the vintage design is just the cherry on top. Moving on to the life of the party, the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro is perfect for social occasions. With a fun mobile app and a variety of customization options, it's like having a mini photo booth in your hands. This camera embraces the social aspect with frames, stickers, and filters. While the photo quality may not match some others, the fun factor is unbeatable. Those who appreciate the vintage vibe, the second-gen Polaroid Now Plus is the go-to choice. It combines retro aesthetics with modern features, making it a unique and stylish option. Polaroid Now Plus offers creative modes, Bluetooth support, and a companion app for additional control. It's a bit bulky, but if you're after that authentic retro feel, this is your camera. Lastly, if portability is your priority, the Polaroid Go steals the show. It's tiny, lightweight, and easily fits in your hand, making it the most portable instant camera on our list. Despite its small size, the Polaroid Go doesn't compromise on image quality. It's a great option for those always on the move or looking for a compact instant camera. And there you have it, folks. The best instant cameras for every preference. If you're interested in any of these cameras, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which instant camera caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy snapping!